Hamilton Grange National Memorial, also known as the Grange or the Hamilton Grange Mansion, is a National Park Service site in St. Nicholas Park, Manhattan, New York City, that preserves the relocated home of U.S. founding father Alexander Hamilton. The mansion holds a restoration of the interior rooms and an interactive exhibit on the newly constructed ground floor for visitors. The Hamilton Heights subsection of Harlem derived its name from Hamilton's 32-acre estate there. Alexander Hamilton was born and raised in the West Indies and came to New York in 1772 at age 17 to study at King's College. During his career, Hamilton was a military officer, lawyer, member of the United States Constitutional Convention, American political philosopher, war hero, initiator and author of the majority of the pivotal and influential The Federalist Papers, and the first United States Secretary of the Treasury. Hamilton commissioned architect John McComb Jr. to design a country home on Hamilton's 32 acres estate in Upper Manhattan. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.